9 to 5, put the work in. Flaws and all, I love them all.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Riri from Texas. I am back with another makeup video. So go ahead and get on in here, like, subscribe, turn your girl's channel up. Let's get this video up to a lot of likes and a lot of views. So we're going to jump right into the video. This is going to be a smoky eye, very nice classic smoky eye with a red lip. So if you want to see the details to how we create this look, let's go ahead and push forward. I've already applied moisturizer to my face, and then I went in and applied primer. Now we're at the color corrector stage. Now, this is one step I do not skip. Primer and color correctors are two steps that I do not skip. This color corrector is, I think, by Black Radiance. It's orange. For women of color, particularly my shade, you can use an orange color corrector or you can use a peach color corrector. Yes, color correctors is my jam. Here, since I'm doing a smoky eye, I'm starting with my eyebrows first. So my return viewers know we have been doing these eyebrows last. But today I decided, since we're doing a smoky eye, I want a more clean look. So I'm going to go in and do my eyebrows first. I'm going in with a pomade. I put that brush out. Do not play with your girl. Because when I put a brush out, I mean business, okay? I'm usually using a pencil these days. A pencil is good as well, but that brush, we mean business. We getting a pomade out. We getting a darker color. And we going in that thing. And we're going to shape it up with some concealer. So you can see I'm on my second one. One thing about eyebrows, baby, they are sisters, not twins. Don't be out here trying to be a perfectionist. Now, you know, clean them up, do what you need to do, but we're not going to be mad if they don't look identical. So now I'm going in with my foundation. Can I be real with you guys? I literally meant to do my foundation last, but since it is so habitual for me at this point to do my foundation and do my eyes and eyebrows last, I just kind of forgot and I just went in with my foundation. What I wanted to do and what I would encourage you guys to do with doing a smoky eye, do your eyes first. But since we are messing with black pigment color, baby, you just, any fallout, you want to be able to wipe that up and keep it moving. So I went ahead and you could even do the eyes before you do the primer and all of that. So because you don't want that black sticking to your face, you have to be extra careful when you do your foundation and primer and stuff first. So what I went ahead and did was I didn't even put concealer on. I put the foundation. I went in and I applied a light layer of loose powder. That was for the event of any fallout. So if I got some fallout, the goal here was that the powder would catch it and then I could just swipe it off, you know, easily versus trying to go in and take my foundation off and reapply it. So that's a nice little hack, nice little trick for you guys that didn't know. So we're already full blown into this eyeshadow video. If you guys need an in-depth eyeshadow video showing you what brushes to use, how to flick that wrist, let your girl know and I will create an eyeshadow video, just especially for beginners or even people who want to improve their eyeshadow game. Let me know if there's something y'all are interested in. I do not wear I do not wear a black smoky eye that much, but when I do, your girl is not coming to play. So we're here, we're putting the black on. I always start with a primer or a concealer base. The concealer base is already on here. Y'all did see me go and use my transitional color as a brown. You do not want to do straight black. Brown, especially on women of color, especially women my tone, it always looks good to buff that brown, that black into a brown. It just gives it more of a natural smoky eye look. This, you know, this is your jam. So, the way I started this smoky eye was I went in with the black and I used it. This is a very pigmenty black. I think it's the Morphe palette I'm using. And then I kind of just buffed it out with the brown. And as I was doing it, I said, you know what would be real cute if we add a little shimmer. So on this Morphe palette, they have a brown, I guess it's kind of like a brown grayish eyeshadow. And it has a little bit of glitter in it. So I just added it on top of there. Not nothing too, crazy. But y'all seen that glitter popping a little bit. Do not play. This is a good, cute date night, special event kind of look. I think it'll be very cute to try. Do not be scared of glitters, girls. Do not. Do not be scared of glitter. It's always a nice addition. So now we're going in. We're going to complete the face. Before I put a little eyeshadow at the bottom, we got to go in and get this concealer, start forming the face, shaping the face. We already had the foundation down. So I put a little bit of extra. I didn't do too much of a full coverage, but I wanted a nice medium coverage. So that's how I landed with the foundation. Now I'm going in. Y'all know I love this LA Girl Pro Concealer concealer. Baby, we can literally wear that with almost anything. It's a beginner and the advanced friendly concealer. I think that will always be a staple in my collection, and I will wear it. This color that is my color that I'm always wearing is, what is it? Warm honey or honey? I think it's warm honey. I don't know. I'll put it in the description below. Also using a brush, this Real Techniques brush, baby, this get the job done every time. Do not play. This is coming to get the job done. If I'm not using this, I'm using a beauty blender. I think they both work really well. The thing about that brush is it keeps it into a full coverage. I'm a full coverage for the concealer on this look. Now I'm going into brighten, and this concealer is actually one size. It got that little butterscotch in it. I do not know the color, the actual shade number, but I will list it in the description below. Baby, when I tell you that, just give it a little, that's what you need. Now I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup. I don't know, do the girls still use the Sacha Buttercup? Are we still using the Sacha Buttercup? I'm still using it faithfully. Like, I mean, your girl, I'm Sacha Buttercup. It just do the job. I don't know. It just looked like the sun kissed my eyes, right under my eyes. It just looks so good. Okay? I ain't got no complaints about it. Now, I do go in with some translucent powder as well. I normally use the Laura Mercier. I'm still like, I don't use it like a whole lot, but I will mix it in a little bit under my eyes. Sometimes I'll put it down the bridge of my nose just to get that brightened feeling. I'm going in with, what is this? This is contour. I was trying to see if it was the powder form or the moist form. This is the powder form. So I'm just hitting all my contour areas. This is Black Radiance. I think it's the medium to dark. I think that's this contour palette is the medium to dark. Once I've complete the contour, now I'm just going in with my face brush to go ahead and press that powder in, blending it into my contour. Baby, do not skip this step. If I had to give you girls one advice, excuse me, if I had to give you guys one advice for makeup, baby, it is blend. Blend till you can't blend no more. If you don't do nothing else, blend till you can't blend no more. So I'm going in with my Wet n Wild, very affordable, very affordable. And I'm just going into under my, on the waterline of my eyes. And I always like to do under my top eyelash because it's something about how it just makes your eyes just feeling more when you add that little step. Now, I just threw this little thing in here because I seen this at the Dollar Tree, guys, and I just thought it was cute. So I said, let's use this and see how this really works. My makeup was already blended, so I'm just basically showing you guys something that I thought was cute and neat. And it's something you can use in this type of format where if you're applying something to your face and you don't want to have fingerprints, you can use this. So I said, oh, this would be a good time to try this out with my eyeliner. So good. So helpful. Um, it was only $1.25 because it's at the Dollar Tree, but you get 4 in a pack. Worth the coins, honey. Worth the coins. I think even just for the sake of me buying it to try, I think it's still something good. I think it could become an essential tool. I don't know. We'll see on the next couple videos if I reach for it. How important is it or not? Now I'm going in. Y'all know we prepping for them eyelashes, baby. So I'm going in with my mascara just to fill out my eyes. Make sure I don't have any fallout from the eyeshadow on there. Baby, let me say it again. I love mascara on the bottom of my eyelash. Baby, them bottom eyelashes, you got to hit them with mascara every time. And the trick is you got to do it before you put on your top eyelashes, your falsies, so that it pops. Ooh, girl, you did that good. I'm not even going to lie. I have to stop and commend myself. Because one thing about it is your girl going to put them eyelashes on every time. Y'all, listen. Y'all, I think I'm RIPing those like 25 MMs. They just not my thing no more. I was on live recently doing makeup, and honey, when I tell y'all, I tried to put some on. I took them things out so quick. Baby, we back over here on these wispy Ardells. We back over here on some regular sizes. I just had a moment with those, and I think the moment is up. Now we going in with that girl. Oh my God. When I tell you this lipstick is her, baby, she is an icon. She is the moment. She is the legend. This is Boss Lady by the Lip Bar. Baby, if y'all listening from the Lip Bar, send your girl a contract or something. Put me on that marketing team, honey. Y'all tag the Lip Bar below and tell them your girl been promoting this for a long time now, and I need a bag behind it. Chunk your girl some coins, honey. Baby, it just glides on. I think my favorite thing about this lipstick is the pigmenty, how pigmenty it is. It does not transfer. And look at that color. You don't even have to wear it with like a liner or anything else, especially if you my tone. Baby, when I tell y'all, name a red that can play with this one. I mean, there's some more reds that look good, but baby, if I only could have one lipstick in my makeup kit, and that was it, it would be this one. I would take this over gloss, baby. She is the moment. Come on, girl. Yes. Okay. I usually use Morphe. Y'all know I like the way that Morphe blend. I did not have no Morphe in front of me, so we went with this Melanian. Still very cute. It's a matte spray. It will blend your makeup, and it is on the affordable end. Now, y'all know it ain't a hairstyle. Excuse me. Y'all know it ain't a makeup style until you fix that hair, baby. Okay, so I had just did these braids, and baby, what I tell y'all, it was popping. I'm gonna link the description to these braids in the description box if you want to see your girl do these braids, or if you want to see how I did this style. Check that out. Rate the look 1 to 10. Are you loving this look? Are you a smoky eye, or no? Are you just like, nah, I'm good on the smoky eye? What do we think about this lipstick, honey? Also, I decided to show you guys with another hairstyle to see if y'all like it up or down. You know, you could be versatile with this look. It's so cute. I thank you guys for sticking with me to the end. If you made it to the end, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to say that again. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Yes, I thank you. I thank you. It's your girl, Riri from Texas, and I'm out.